In this video, I'll show you how to program universal remote for Sony TV. Step 1. Check your remote. Ensure your Sony TV is powered on. Make sure the universal remote has good batteries. Find the list of Sony TV codes in your remote's manual or online. Step 2. Enter the code manually. Press and hold the code search or setup button on the remote. Release the button when the light turns on. Enter one of the Sony TV codes found in the manual. Step 3. Test and log in settings. Test the remote by pressing the power or volume button. If the TV responds, the code is correct. If not, repeat with a new code. Press the device button to save the setting. And that's how you program a universal remote on your Sony TV. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Bye.